It's a great event. A lot of people here. Beautiful facility that they have where they manufacture the cranes.
We're here doing training on Technocranes with Technodolly, Techno30, the Techno22 and the Techno75 in the last couple of days.
Seeing how the heads have evolved from the standard that Horst set years ago and the ability to implement Technodolly targeting and framing into any S-head is a game changer.
You can put it in any situation, commercials, drama, game shows or motion picture. It is a real asset to a film, It's a marvel. It's beautiful.
I love it, to be honest. It's easy to operate. It's very organic. You can feel every movement.
It's very versatile. I use the targeting and the planing for the augmented and virtual reality capabilities that it has. I'm glad I got to come to the factory today and look at the hard work that's being put in each and every crane.
I would like to say something what my strongest feeling is, and the strongest feeling is this thankfulness to be here and to be with all of you, and the possibility that all this could have happened, and naturally it would not be here without you. So thank you very much.
We have 9 Technocranes from Horst. They're a beautiful thing to use. I mean, it's engineering that's been refined so well that it's beautiful and smooth and quiet and silent. They're virtually bulletproof. So from our perspective, it's something that always just works on set.
Their products, just get better and better as they go. We use a lot of Technocrane in all of Ari's bases around the world. I think the product hasn't stayed stagnant. They continually push the boundaries and continue to bring new products to the market as the industry changes. Going into the virtual environment and using the gaming industry in conjunction with virtual screens.
Everybody wants something slightly different from a crane, so I think you have to understand where you sit within the industry, and I think the 75 that's come out this evening is perfect. There's nothing else that really rivals it. The Technodolly25, ever since we got a Technodolly, everybody's saying we need it longer, it needs to be longer, it needs to be faster, longer, faster. It's here, it lives.
We have a lot of Technocranes. We have actually the whole range. They're very stable. We do a lot of commercials. We do big feature films, series, streaming, so everything. It's used a lot. Lately we had now a big show, Foundation, that a lot of these cranes were used every single day. So they're very much in use with us.
What I really like about Technocrane isn't just about the cranes. So the cranes are all about perfection, and Horst cares about cranes and he cares about getting cranes right. But the thing I really like about him is he's got a team who want to support you.
We'll often say something that's come up on set, a feature that we might like or a tweak that needs to be made, and he goes back, talks to everybody, and next minute you see it arrive in a software update or a hardware update.
I remember as soon as we got our first crane, we come back with some feedback and they always help us to make things better and better and better. And it's a great testament tonight when you see all the machines that they've now developed are constantly answering their customer questions. Bigger, better cranes, faster cranes, small, nimble cranes. They're very, very good at giving their customers what they want.